What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Luke's Fishing. Today I'm just fishing somewhere very secret in Melbourne. Fishing with my mate Julian today. We're actually going for a very special fish called River Blackfish. Now there's a few in this river system and they're actually quite large, so I've never caught one before, but Julian has. So we're using worms and using a split shot and little hooks. So we're gonna see if we can pull a few out of the river and show you guys what's living in this little creek river. So yeah, wish us luck. Alright, well I lied about the small hooks. I've got a little circle hook there. It's a whiting circle hook and 2 worms. So blackfish like to hang under the snags, I've been told. Don't want to see too many snags, but I'm just going to try cast it to the other side of the river there. Yeah, I think that'll do. Some depth there. Still going. There we go. Alrighty, both rods are in. That one's cast at about a metre in front of the bank, and that one is just there. So let's see if we can get a blackfish.
What?
No, it's tiny tabs.
Yeah. Still there?
Nah, can't feel him.
Oh,
got him. That's an eel.
Eel or a huge ass eel?
No, that's definitely an eel.
Yeah. Eel.
Go, guys.
Oh, the other rod.
Hooked up. Oh, it just bit me off. Was the other rod biting too?
Yeah, look at the line,
Yep.
What's that?
What's that? Oh, it's a roach. Look at that, snapped off on one rod.
It's a nice roach.
Big roach on the other.
They get some pretty cool colours though, yeah. Oh, you're so useful.
Come here. Just want to show you guys this fish. It's a little beautiful roach. He's not a bad size either. A lot of people in the UK like to catch these coarse fishing with their maggots and little hooks and whatnot, but yeah, that's a beautiful little fish. We'll get the bait straight back out there. We just lost an eel and we've got this roach, so looks like it's going to be a good day. I've only been fishing 5 minutes, so see if we can get the targeted species. Just put the rod down, guys, and just had another little bite. Let's check the bait. Barely. Yep, blackfish. Oh no! Oh, that's a bloody huge roach. I saw that come up to the surface when I hooked that, guys, and I thought that was a blackfish, but that is a really good sized roach. I haven't even got a chance to get the rod back in the water. Just hot action here.
Not for me.
But not hot for Julian.
That's like a probably 30 plus.
Oh, not quite 30, but
30.
nah, look at that.
Oh, high 20s?
Yeah. There's our roach, guys. They almost look like a redfin. A lot of people mistake them for a redfin, but they've got like little carp lips. Redfin have got like raspy teeth and a much larger mouth, and redfin are also not as silver. They also got like the line through them. But yeah, beautiful fish. Back he goes. Got it. That's better. Yep.
Could be a blackie.
Oh, it's a redfin. Oh, and this rod. I'm on this rod too.
Oh,
Oh, it's all happening.
Oh, you lost both.
I lost both. Oh. Too much action. Too much action.
Can't get a bite. What, did you see what the other thing was?
No, I didn't.
How big was it?
I don't know. Hard to tell with this rod.
Oh, yeah, that's fucking tough.
Oh, bummer. The line was peeling out, so. Missed him.
Especially wait until your camera turns on too.
Alrighty. I think I'll have to wait a bit more. What was that? Roach?
I think so, busting out. He was fine all day.
Missed him?
Useless fisherman.
Oh, Jules.
Yeah.
I'm on. What do we got? Another roach. Oh, this roach is even bigger. Gosh. Calm down, buddy. Beautiful, he swallowed the hook and he just got off. And he's just chilling just there. Roach number 3. See if we give him a little kick. Off he goes. Well, that was the best case scenario. I didn't expect that hook to come out that easy. But 3 roach in this one hole now, so lost an eel, lost a redfin. Everything but a blackfish so far. Oh, we'll get the rods back out and yeah, see if we can get one. Alright guys, well Julian's caught the targeted species there, probably one of the smallest blackfish in this creek. They're real slimy fish, but
like a little baby marine
colours, yeah. They have a really big mouth too, so
try the hook.
Try the hook, so just quickly just cut it and get him back.
Oh, mouth to mouth.
Mouth to mouth. Bloke on bloke. There he is.
Yeah, get a quick little photo and try it back.
Quick little nickname for these are greasies, because how slimy they are. But yeah, you cut the line and eventually the hook will pass through the fish, come out of his bum. These are only Chinese hooks, so they'll rust out pretty quickly. Back he goes. There we go. Oh! In the tiniest pools. Oh my God! 35? Look at that! His tail's been munched too. Yeah. I should keep it, shouldn't I? Up to you. Yeah, because it's a blackfish creek, so. There we go, guys. This is a redfin of about 35 centimetres out of this tiny, tiny little creek. I'm just fishing this tiny pool here, which is about a metre deep. Just want to go check the bait to move where Jules was, and there's nice redfin. It's very unexpected. So before I was catching roach, I also had red fins, but the red fin, as you can see, bigger mouth, got that big spiky dorsal fin, and a lot of rough on thicker scales.
That's a tank.
Look at that, for this little creek.
It's pretty big on 35.
Look at his tail too.
Yeah, I find a lot of them are pretty munted out of here.
Yeah, that'll definitely eat the blackfish you got before, so he'll be coming home. Oh, it's a roach. Oh, why ain't you a blackfish? I've caught 4 roach and a bloody decent sized redfin. So there we go. Little roach. And there's your redfin for comparison. that I wouldn't put it past. Reddy would have a go at that roach. So there we go. Well, get the roach back and get another rod in there. Oh, there's a reddy that just chased the worm up. Nice reddy. Oh, he's looking at it. He just swirled it again. Well, let the worm go back down. Got him. Got him. Yep. Ready. 30. It swirled the worm, then dropped it back in and got him. Yeah, guys, not sure why we're getting so many reddies, but yeah, it's another redfin. I got a roach too as well. Two. Oh, just want a blackfish. That was a bite then. Jules! Blackfish! Woo! 20. Here we go, guys. My first river blackfish. I literally just dropped the bait just below the snags there. I was just caught the roach and reddy in the big pool. Just wanted to try down here. And yes! Yeah, I've got to get back up. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. It's just hooked in the lip there. Where are you, Jules? I'll try. Look at that, guys. Beautiful river blackfish of about 20, 22, 23 centimeters. That there is a beautiful fish. Oh guys, there we go, my first blackfish. Back he goes. That was sick. It was, guys, I literally just dropped it, the worm, just right below there. Thought, oh yeah, all these trees in here, blackfish like to hide under the snags, I've been told, so that was sick. Look at that, guys, another Australian native that's in this stream here. It's a big
Galaxia.
Big Galaxius. I call them Galaxidus because it sounds cooler, but that's a really big Galaxidus, about 20 centimeters.
Yeah, put it back.
And that redfin I caught before would love to eat that, so that's why I'm going to eat the redfin. But two natives in this creek, which is pretty cool.
Plus eels.
Plus, yes, plus eels. Are eels native?
Yes, unfortunately.
Oh gosh.
Who would introduce eels, mate?
I don't know. Oh!
Is that the drop?
No, you know what happened? I got a bite, missed it, then was mucking around with that rod, and the rod was literally just at the bank, underneath the bank there. It's a beautiful blackfish.
Yeah, they get sick colours out of here.
It's like a nice yellowy colour.
Do you need to chuck me the worms?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Sid.
Oh,
Oh, damn.
thank you. I'm cleaning up. Here we go. Jules just got that Galaxius, and I have caught this blackfish. That'd probably eat the Galaxius, wouldn't it?
Oh, it's a bit bigger one would.
Yeah. There we go. Beautiful fish. They've got like a curved circular tail there. I think it's called a concave tail. They almost feel like an eel, and they've got two little barbels. I don't know if you can see under the chin there, almost like a freshwater catfish. They use that because they sit on the bottom to detect their food. They're actually a nocturnal fish, so to get them in the day is pretty sick. They've got these little raspy teeth. It's a cool little creature. We'll get him straight back. Big eel?
Yeah. I didn't realise it's a big eel. Like a big eel. The size of the thing.
Do you reckon you get it up?
Nah.
Okay guys, Jules has hooked a pretty big eel. Whether he gets it up or not. Yeah, snapped. Pretty expected. He's only using light line, so. Oh. There we go.
Look at the size of them. Look how fat they are.
Jules has just got another Galaxius.
Look how fat it is.
It's really fat. There you go.
Big black
Huge blackfish.
Oh no, it's in the snag. Oh, it's fighting. Oh, out.
Huge blackie.
Cracking the black.
Oh gosh.
They got teeth.
Oh. Look at that for a blackfish.
We'll be pushing 40.
No, that's 40. Definitely 40.
Yeah.
40 plus. Now that's the blackfish that are usually in this creek here, guys. The normal size. Wow, well done.
Thank you. Cheers, sir. About time I did something useful. Oh.
Give him a measure. That's bloody good blackfish, mate. Get a photo too. Alrighty, there's Jules with his
39.
40 centimeter blackfish.
Beautiful fish.
Beautiful, lovely fish.
Oh, God. No,
Well.
Not very graceful.
He was keen to get back.
Yeah.
Well done, sir. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Fished for about 4 hours. I got 4 roach, 2 redfin, 2 blackfish, and Jules got 2 blackfish, 1 nice 40 centimeter.
And a lot of little galaxies, and like
and
3 galaxies.
Yeah, and a lot of cool looking Galaxias, however you say it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please like, and if you really like the video, please subscribe. So yeah, cool fishing today in these little streams, bait fishing, seeing all the natives that are in here. So yeah, I'll definitely be back here soon. So cheers.